So I thought I found the perfect slime recipe. Turns out it was a total fail. So if you have a hard time making slime, I'm going to show you in this video how to fix slime that's messed up. So we just have glue, contact solution as a binder, aka applicator, activator, what have you. We have shaving cream. My student wanted me to use green slime for the first slime I made on my YouTube channel, so shout out to that student. We're just adding everything in here. This is just a bottle of glue, which is also 4 ounces. Adding the food coloring in to give it that beautiful green pigment. Mix, mix, mix. By the way, I like making slime, but this was like a recipe I found online. I will tag the creator in the comments. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of contact solution. Mixing that. Shaving cream is supposed to give it like a fluffy texture. Now, typically I wouldn't use shaving cream in my slime, so this is something really new that I wanted to do. First, the consistency started off really nice, and then it got incredibly sticky. And where I went wrong is when I poured it on the counter, and I started off with one hand after I stirred with my plastic knife. And when I put 2 hands in, oh my gosh, it was a hot mess. If you're making slime and it gets too sticky, add more contact solution, or don't be afraid to like just go and wash your hands. Seriously. And then you could come back and start flipping and kneading and doing everything else that you need to do. So we're getting to the part where I'm about to show you how I fix this slime. Right now, it's just a hot mess. It's not doing what I want it to do. It's completely stuck to my hand. That's why this started off as a total fail. Now, with my slime that I usually make and how I used to make it when I was in middle school, elementary school, was always adding in baking soda. Yes, I said it, baking soda. So once you add the baking soda to your slime, you will see a huge difference in what your slime will look like. Now, it will not be as fluffy, so I guess you could add like more shaving cream. I don't know. If I do this again, what color would you like to see next?